Cristiano Ronaldo just went to bed for 8 hours straight. He was out cold, not doing a thing. And somehow his net worth went up by thousands while that happened. He wasn't kicking any balls or making ads, just lying there. People hear stuff like this and go, well, yeah, he's a huge athlete with billions. That's how it works for them, I guess. We figure there's some special trick only rich folks know about, like a hidden way to make money. But honestly, what if the same thing that keeps adding to his money even when he's asleep is something you could set up too? It's all based on this math thing called the invisible boulder. You don't have to be a star player or anything. Most of us are caught in this loop where we trade time for cash. Like right now, for the average worker in America, full-time pay is around $1,000 a week. That's $52,000 a year before taxes or whatever. But households spend more, like $67,000 just to get by. So when what you make doesn't cover it, every dollar matters a ton. Your mind is stuck in this survival spot, reacting to bills and stuff instead of actually growing any wealth. You're using all your energy just to keep your head up. And if you quit working, poof, no more money. With Ronaldo, it's different. His cash keeps coming even if he stops, because it's not tied to his time anymore. The money works on its own for him. To make that happen for yourself, you need to reach a certain point. It's like shoving this giant boulder up a hill. Super tough at the start. You have to watch every penny, skip stuff you want, put money away when you'd rather spend it. It's sweaty work, barely moving, and you wonder why bother. Then there's this shift. For a lot of people, saving up the first $20,000 is where it clicks. Once you get there, the boulder tips over the top, and gravity pulls it down from then on. The numbers change after that. Say you're putting away $1,000 a month with 8% returns. First $20,000 takes like 19 months of pushing hard, but the next 20, only 17 months. Why shorter? Because that first chunk is now making money while you sleep. It's earning on its own. You didn't grind more or risk extra. Just the money starts helping out. Ronaldo does the same, but way bigger. He uses soccer pay to grab things like properties or businesses that pay him back in dividends and interest. You can start small though. The formula is the same no matter the size. Put in 1,000 and it grows 10%, that's $100. Okay, not huge. But 20,000 at 10%, 2,000, coming in without you doing squat. Just because your money did the work, it keeps building like a snowball rolling. Eventually, the stuff your investments earn while you're asleep beats what you make at a job. I know scraping together 10 or 20,000 seems crazy when rent and food are tight. Feels impossible sometimes. But it's not only about piling up dollars. It's more like becoming someone who does that. The saving part is hard, but really, it's shifting how you see yourself. Start tiny. Even $50 a month maybe. Think about Kaizen, those little 1% changes that add up over time. We talked about that before, I think. You're not aiming for jets or yachts here. It's for having money run in the background so your brain gets some space. No more panicking at 3 in the morning over a busted heater. You can say no to a bad job if you want. Life where you don't sell every minute just to eat. Ronaldo has his setup making cash non-stop. Time to get yours going. Don't stress being perfect. Just start with a boulder. Keep at it, hold off on buying now, hit that first goal. After that, things pull you along. It seems like it anyway. This stuff makes me think different about money now.